Alright guys, so here it is before start ripping out. Probably gonna start taking top rails off the storage containers, start doing like a little miscellaneous, probably take the sink out, stove here. Maverick, what are you gonna work on? You gonna go arrest your brother? Tatum, what are you gonna start on? What are you gonna start on? He doesn't mind it. But this is the table and cushions removed. It comes down to a single bed. Tatum's taking advantage of it. And there's a little bit of storage underneath when you fold it down, but taking everything out, probably gonna take all the electronics out, probably take all the gauges out probably next time, or depending on how far I get today. Just get everything down to a blank slate and then see what I need to be doing for the floor wise. If I need to do the whole floor all the way from the bow to the back, but it really depends. Clean all the cabinets out, so they should be ready to rock. So I removed the benches and the table, and it got down to this freshwater holding tank. It actually looks pretty good shape. Pumps look good. This is a little cabin heater I haven't mentioned before, but from what it looks like, it should work. It's good condition. I don't see any rot, so we'll see how it looks. But probably be maybe a 20-25 gallon tank, plus or minus. I'm not really too sure. I don't know if it goes down inside or it's just pretty straight across, but it looks pretty good shape. I might just remove it, hold on to it, clean it out, maybe bring it to somebody to really do a good clean job, or just do it myself. Just want to make sure that everything is clean when going back together. I don't want to have any stuff inside a tank that goes back in the boat brand new. So I think the next job is to remove the tank, set it outside, and start removing these cabinets. Take the cabinet heater out, put that aside. It looks in pretty good shape, so I don't know if I might use it, or I might use a electric heater, so if I'm plugged into a dock, or if I want to run off an auxiliary, like little 2200 generator or something like that, that'd be probably the best option if we need heat. But I'm not a real fan of buddy heaters having propane inside, so yeah, so here's the aftermath. All the stuff. This is one of the drawers I've been keeping all the stuff in. This is what the guy gave me. There's a bunch of halibut spreader bars, a bunch of like, I don't know, probably I don't know what weight those are for ounces, but some 8-ounce banana weights and stuff like that. So if I was fishing like the Columbia or something like that, I could do like 10 to 16 ounces would work perfect, but I'll have to get the scale out and weigh them. But so there is the spot where the table mounted to. So there is a pole right here, right there, that goes in the slot like so, and then the table is set on there just like that inside the slot. So when you want to fold it down to a bed, you remove the top, remove the pole, and then you put the wherever it's at, the tabletop, you put that back down and spot, and then it's a full bed. All the hoses look good, all the vents, but majority of this boat looks pretty brand new. Like all this electrical that was underneath still looks like it was just put in like last year. It's all looks really good, but he's done some wiring and stuff like that with some cheap butt connectors and stuff like that. But when I rewire this entire boat, it's gonna be all sealed and nice butt connectors. I just gotta pack them there so it's nice and weather tight. I don't want to have any exposed wires, and just do it right. So. So I just found something really cool. So I was tearing all this stuff out, right? Got all the cabinets, got all the tanks out. Well, this cushion right here was moving around a little bit. I go, wait, that's weird. It's moving around a little bit, and it's got a hinge. It makes a freaking bed. It's a bunk bed. There's the cushions for the first level. Goes all the way across to that side when you fold down the table, and then the side pad folds up to another bunk bed. You can see where the pole right here goes down to the ground, or goes down to the other pad, and same with this side. That's crazy. I never even thought about that, but I like the idea, and I actually might do that on the remodel, or the restoration. It's pretty darn sweet. Another reason I like Olympic. Still pretty good condition. You can see how it hinges right to there. And that is sweet. So I'm pretty happy about that. But everything's coming out really good. Everything looks in good condition. I probably could replace the floor and this boat would probably fish, but I'm going to be doing it the right way, and I want to do it one way, stick to it, and get it complete before I put it in the water, because I know if I only do the floor and I get the boat in the water and it's be able to be fished, I would probably be second guessing myself on doing the restoration. So I'm going to do it right now, get it done with. It's going to take me a lot longer to get the boat in there, but it's going to be exactly how I want when I complete it. So that is sweet. I'm really happy with that. So. So here's the finished product after taking down the liner. And then carpets on the side are done. Up here, took down all the lights, all the electrical. Wires ran across from here underneath a little piece of 1/4 inch board just to hide the wires and keep up the liner. But yeah, came out pretty good. Not a hard task, it just really dusty and crap coming down, and I didn't really want to breathe it in. It's deteriorated carpet, so not good for you.